Welcome, today I've heard of new MOTOROLA Moto G52 and I'll show you how to change icon shape with the Icon Changer app on this device. So let's just first launch the Play Store application, and here in the search pool enter the Icon Changer. And now we should get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, we just should open the application and click here. Now we'll see all the available applications, which just icons we can change. For example, let's go with the contacts. We can here tap on the edit icon and rename this app if you want. Also, we have here different folders with the available icons. You can choose from them, or just use the photo from our device gallery and download it from the internet, or we can just take a picture right now. For example, I'll go with this one, then click on the right upper corner to OK. Wait a couple of seconds just to skip the ads. And then just click here add to home screen. Now we can change the next icon by the same way, and let's just go to the home screen and see the new icons here on our device home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.